The Crowd's reduction is also known as Gauss-Jacobi method, Cholesky's reduction, Gauss elimination method, none. The correct answer is option number B, Cholesky's reduction. The system of linear equation will have a unique solution if A determinant is equal to 0, A determinant is not equal to 0, A determinant is equal to 1, none. The correct answer is option number B, A determinant is not equal to 0. The system of linear equation will have no solution if the correct answer is A determinant is equal to 0. The rate of convergence of Gauss-Seidel is twice that of option number A, Gauss-Jordan method, option number B, none, option number C, Gauss-Jacobi method, option number D, Gauss elimination method. The correct answer is option number C, Gauss-Jacobi method. The Gauss elimination method fails if any one of the pivot element becomes option number A 1, option number B 0, option number C negative integer, option number D positive integer. The correct answer is option number B 0. In space method, changing of order is called pivoting. Option number A, iterative method, option number B, algebraic method, option number C, simple method, option number D, Gauss elimination method. The correct answer is option number D, Gauss elimination method. Relaxation method is also known as option number A, iterative method, option number B, algebraic method, option number C, simple method, option number D, direct method. The correct answer is option number A, iterative method. In the Gauss elimination method for solving a system of linear algebraic equations, triangularization leads to diagonal matrix, lower triangular matrix, upper triangular matrix, singular matrix. The correct answer is option number C, upper triangular matrix. The coefficient matrix A, the system of equations, is composed into dash of two matrices L and U. The option number A, addition, option number B, subtraction, option number C, multiplication, option number D, none. The correct answer is multiplication. The option number C is correct answer. Which method has much importance from the computer programming point of view? Simple method, Crowd's method, iterative method, algebraic method. The correct answer is option number B, Crowd's method. Which of the following is the modification of Gauss-Jacobi method, Gauss elimination method, none, Gauss-Jordan method, Gauss-Seidel method. The correct answer is option number A, Gauss elimination method. Gauss elimination method is the correct answer of the MCQ number 10. Dash methods have definite advantage over direct methods in respect of economy of computer memory. Number A, relaxation method. Number B, iterative methods. Number C, power method. Number D, none. The correct answer is option number B, iterative methods.